Good morning. Welcome here.
Good morning, thank you.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you.
Sleep well last night?
Yes, very well, thanks.
Ready for breakfast now?
Yes, very hungry now.
Take a plate, please.
Thank you, I will.
What would you like?
Everything looks so delicious.
We have eggs today.
Oh, I love eggs.
Scrambled or fried eggs?
Scrambled eggs, please.
Coming right up, sir.
Thank you very much.
We have omelets too.
Really? I love omelets.
Want an omelet, sir?
Yes, please, with vegetables.
Cheese in your omelet?
Yes, cheese, please.
Any other fillings, sir?
Just mushrooms, thank you.
Perfect choice, sir.
Thank you so much.
See the fresh fruits?
Yes, they look amazing.
All fruits are fresh.
Great, I'll take some.
We have watermelon today.
Oh, I love watermelon.
Pineapple is fresh too.
Yes, please, I'll take some.
Mango is also available.
Mango is my favorite.
Take as much as you like.
Thank you, that's lovely.
We have cereals too.
What kinds do you have?
Granola and cornflakes available.
Granola, please, thank you.
With milk or yogurt.
With yogurt, please.
Plain or flavored yogurt.
Plain yogurt, please.
Good, healthy choice, sir.
I try to eat healthy.
See the pastries there?
Yes, they look great.
Croissants are very fresh.
I'll take one croissant.
Baked just this morning.
Oh, they smell amazing.
Muffins are available too.
What flavors do you have?
Blueberry and chocolate today.
Blueberry, please, thank you.
Good, very popular today.
I can see why.
Danish pastries are here.
They look so delicious.
Try one, they're great.
Okay, I'll try one.
Want some toast too?
Yes, please, brown toast.
White or brown bread?
Brown bread, please.
With butter or jam?
Both, please, thank you.
We have strawberry jam.
That's my favorite jam.
Honey is also available.
Oh, I love honey.
Take some honey too.
Yes, please, thank you.
Now, what to drink?
What drinks do you have?
See the menu there?
Yes, I see it.
Coffee or tea, sir?
Coffee, please, thank you.
Black or with milk?
With milk, please.
Hot or iced coffee?
Hot coffee, please.
Cappuccino or Americano, sir?
Americano, please, thank you.
Strong or mild coffee?
Strong, please, I need it.
Long night last night?
Yes, arrived very late.
We also have tea.
What teas do you have?
Green and black tea.
Maybe green tea later.
Fresh juice also available.
What juices do you have?
Orange and apple juice.
Orange juice, please. Thanks.
Freshly squeezed this morning.
Wonderful. That sounds perfect.
Cold or warm juice?
Cold juice, please.
Here is your juice.
Thank you very much.
Anything else, sir?
Yes, one more thing.
Go ahead. Please ask.
Any gluten-free options today?
Yes, we have some.
Oh, that's great news.
Gluten-free bread is available.
Perfect. I'll take some.
Gluten-free cereals too, sir.
Thank you so much.
Any allergies to know?
No nuts, please, thanks.
Noted. I'll be careful.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Everything is labeled clearly.
Good, that really helps.
Is your plate full?
Almost full, thank you.
Need another plate, sir?
Yes, please, one more.
Here is another plate.
Thank you very much.
Enjoying your breakfast, sir?
Yes, it's absolutely wonderful.
Is everything okay, sir?
Yes, everything is perfect.
Need anything more, sir?
More coffee, please, thanks.
Coming right up, sir.
You're so kind, thanks.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
First time here, sir?
Yes, my first time.
Enjoying our hotel, sir?
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Beautiful view from here.
Yes, love the ocean.
See the palm trees?
Yes, they're so beautiful.
This is a tropical paradise.
I completely agree, yes.
Plans for today, sir?
Beach and sightseeing today.
Great weather for beach.
Yes, I'm so excited.
Breakfast closes at 10.
Okay, good to know.
Come early for freshness.
I'll remember that, thanks.
Tomorrow, same time, sir?
Yes, same time, please.
We'll be ready, sir.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day, sir.
Thank you, same to you.
Have wonderful sightseeing today.
Thank you, I will.
Come back for lunch.
Yes, I definitely will.
Bon appetit. Enjoy everything.
Thank you, it's delicious.